Alrighty guys, so let's get started. Today's vegan pastry ideas is cranberry orange muffins. I'm like really excited about it. I know I don't look really excited, but I'm excited about it. Oh. Alright, so in our bowl, we'll put 2 cups of flour. Two teaspoons of salt. My salt's giving me a hard time right now. That's why I don't want to do it over the camera. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So the trick here is that you could grate this with a grater, which I could show you really quickly, or you can cut this just fine and it's the same thing. As long as it gets to like small pieces, this is about the length that you're gonna want for your orange peels. I was about to say lemon zest. Okay. Do 1/4 of orange juice and 1/4 of vegetable oil. You're gonna do a teaspoon of chia seeds and a 1/2 cup of cranberries. Now I chopped them up a little bit so they can open up a little bit more. It's gonna be really tasty and really sweet. And then we're gonna blend this up. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge overnight tomorrow. I'm falling a little short today, so we're definitely gonna restart back up again tomorrow.
I am super excited, guys. What is going on? So they are ready. So I'm really sorry that we had to start it on the second day, but guys, one day videos will happen. I just work too many jobs. Hey guys, so this is what we're gonna do. Take our batter, and I'm just gonna move some stuff around. Gonna unravel it. It's gonna look like a little bit like a yellowish color, only because it's cranberries and orange juice that's mixed in. So don't worry about that. That's fine. Take your scooper or your spoon. Set your oven for 350. Make sure it's preheating. And you're just pretty much gonna scoop these out. I usually do like a 1/2 scoop, guys. Nothing crazy, because you don't want to actually fill these up. If you fill them up all the way, they're gonna puff out and they're gonna be bigger. I like little small cupcakes. So guys, with these little bad boys, we're gonna bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. It depends. If they start rising up a little bit and they look like they're a little bit lightly brown, you can take them out. If it's 15 minutes max, and then 15 minutes minimum, 18 minutes max. So guys, so while that's baking, let's take some time to do some talking. Yes, so I really wanted to do motivational videos with you guys. It's not only going to be about cooking and baking and, you know, having fun. I really want to help people. I feel like the hardest thing is you trying to get up and making this stuff, you trying to get up and doing stuff. I am going to do meal prepping options and, you know, reading over the labels, and also in the spring I will do my gardening and show you how I make a garden from scratch in the back, and my indoor plants too. So back to it's being hard to start motivating. It is hard once you first start, but once you keep going on a routine, it's like easy. So being a vegetarian is very simple because I had it planned out for myself of what I want to do. Eventually going to being a vegan. I'm weaning off of dairy right now, so that's like a little bit of my problem. My problem is not really milk, it's more of cheese. Yogurt, I could care less. I think cheese is my thing, so I'm weaning off of that. And if you guys have any requests, anything at all, like I really want to know. I have some few ideas that people have been asking me for. I think the next couple videos after, I'm going to do a lot of vegetable ideas because people don't know how to get their greens in, and I know greens is not popular. I know, I get it, trust me. I didn't like greens when I first started, so maybe if you kind of saw the way that I eat them, it's a little bit differently and it would help you. So let's see. Stay tuned while our muffins are cooking. Let me show you. They are looking good, guys, looking good. Hold up. So, look at them from the side. Give you a downward angle. Ooh, this one almost slipped. So let me show you. I did do one that I filled it up all the way. They're just going to be a bit more puffy versus one that you do halfway. It's just going to be on the bottom. I like them more like this just in case it doesn't overflow. I don't like when it overflows because sometimes it will leak onto the pan. Then you got to scrape it off. It's up to you. I mean, this looks nicer, but I like them like this. So I also wrap them twice so they won't burn. So what you could do is just take off the first wrapping, and that looks so sweet. You know, if you're up to like doing stuff, adding stuff on, you could just leave that space there. Sorry, they're not Halloween themed, but I mean, I couldn't find eyes to make like an owl or something, but it's okay, guys. Don't worry about it. Stay tuned for our next video. Like and subscribe and yada 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 yada. I will see you in the next video.